Welcome back to It Started with Sawdust. Today, we compare two workhorses of the Makita XDT family. That short and sweet test includes 10 8x200mm screws, all executed in a fast fashion. We used 4-year-old BL1840 batteries, fully charged. We get started with the XDT13 and variable speed that is up to 3,600 RPM. Rock solid, but it's time for the XDT16, the current top model of Makita's impact drivers. We apply the assist mode for the test. That means we go in at low speed until tightening kicks in. Maximum RPM is 3,600. Pretty awesome. That concludes today's comparison between the XDT's impact drivers. We plan to compare some more in the near future. Thanks for stopping by and see you next time with It Started with Sawdust.